What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report. Man, you know we review appliances. Today we're going to talk about our top 2 appliances on the market, and we're going to look at 2 top load washing machines, one by LG, one by Samsung, and we're going to let you know what we think about these 2 appliances. These 2 appliances, in our opinion, is the top 2 top load washing machines on the market. All right, so if you're looking to purchase one, in our opinion, again, this is our opinion, this is what we think, just from working on the appliance, how much we see the appliance, what are some of the common issues that happen to these appliances. We decided, in our opinion, this is the top 2 appliances on the market. So if you're looking to purchase one, check these 2 out. Again, watch this videos, tell us how much you like it. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, root for the Ravens, because we're trying to win this week. Alright, so let's dive into this joint. I'm going to start off with the Samsung unit. Alright, so let's get into this Samsung appliance, man. In no particular order, I'm going to reveal to you guys at the end of it which one we think is the best appliance on the market between the 2. But we're just going to let this rock for a second. Again, this is a Samsung unit, active, water jet, smart care. Again, you can get this in, I would say, a graphite steel kind of look as far as the appliance. So this is something that we've reviewed before. We're going to give you our grade and what we thought of it at the end of it, but you can also check that our videos. You do have several options. That's one of the things I like about the appliance, how soft the buttons are in comparison when you're turning them. Normal, heavy wash, you got a deep wash, water proof and bedding, permanent press, quick wash, and all these different things that you can deal with. You also have a spin only cycle that allows you to drain the water out directly if you're having issues with draining. That's one of the things that we like when we're talking about as technician going to check out the appliance. In comparison to a lot of the times the older appliances, if you don't have a spin only cycle or you only have a rinse and spin cycle, sometimes it's difficult to really try to drain the water out and actually start to repair the appliance. If you have issues with the draining, having a spin only cycle goes directly to just allowing the water to drain out and start to spin. That helps us out a lot. This has a self-cleaning option. This is one of the benefits of using your appliance. We do recommend, like the manufacturer says in the owner's manual, for you to clean your appliance every 30 cycles or once a month. This is essential to make sure it doesn't have a lot of debris, it doesn't have a lot of lint, it doesn't have a lot of calcium and buildup. Your machine gets deteriorated over time just from using it. All right, so that's one of the things that you got to consider. We suggest that you clean your wash machine as often as you can. This has a deep wash option, and that's one of the benefits of this appliance that we like. You can have your traditional fill or the old way of doing things with the deep fill, or you can have the new style with the energy efficient. It's still energy efficient. It does not take away from it, but it's just adding more water to the cycle, which is beneficial. All right, so that helps you. I like my clothes to be drenched in water, even if it's giving me the false impression that it's washing and cleaning. This little bit of water that's inside these machines, because they want to save energy, they want to save you a couple dollars or whatever. I don't really like it, you know what I mean? We got to deal with what we have, but I like the deep fill option on this unit. So I'm just let the video play, let it rock, let it roll. Again, you have different options that you can choose from: smart care, temperature settings, hot, warm, eco warm, cool. You have your cool cycle that you can actually wash with, cool wash and cool rinse. Most wash machines don't really have that options, but these new ones are incorporating these options inside of it as well. Pre-soak options, extra rinse, and delay end and all that stuff. You can have that as well. All right, so let's get into this a little bit more, see what we got. Not going to be long, but we really like it. I really want you guys to see what the appliance is, what it looks like. It does have the glass on top, so that's really good. We really like the glass on top, and it's actually has the impeller in some of these, and you can also get the actuator. All right, so I know a lot of customers like the actuator that you can use. This one has the impeller, so you're getting the impression that, you know, your clothes is really being washed in comparison to the impeller that's at the bottom and that's lower. This one is the impeller. Like I said, it has 2 options, and that's another benefit to this appliance. You can choose whichever one you prefer. And you have your liquid bleach. You also have the soap dispenser that comes there, and you have the jet that shoots out the water right in the middle at this point. So this is where you put your detergent in. You have one for the detergent, and you have one for the fabric softener. And of course, you have the inject jet or extra water. It's called the inlet or inject or active jet, whatever they call it. It's like a pre-treat station where water comes out through there where you can pre-wash your clothes and stain it. There goes the button here for the water jet. You just press this button at the bottom. It's called a water jet, and allows water to come in. Alright, so like I said, for this particular appliance, we really like it, right? So if you're looking to the market to get this particular appliance, check this video out. We're going to have the model number inside the description box. So if you're looking at a top load wash machine, we really like it. You have multiple options between the impeller and the actuator. You have the water active jet that you can use. You also have deep fill option on here. It's a smart care. It's a self clean. It has a spin only cycle. So if you just want to spin your clothes out a little bit more, you can do that as well. So we really like this appliance. If you're going to purchase an appliance, this is one that we really like and we recommend. My overall grade on this, if you haven't checked out the video, you can check that out on our channel as well. We gave this a 4. All right, so it's above average. It's a really decent appliance. Another thing that we really like about the appliance is the transmission and the gear case that is used. It doesn't go bad that often. We don't replace them a lot. If we're going to do anything with this particular machine, some of the things that we do notice is there's times over time when you're washing your clothes, the water level hose that detects the water level inside the machine so that you can advance the cycle, or you can say you want if you want high soil, medium soil, low soil. Back in the day, it might say medium, high, or the water level inside the machine. Basically, that's what it is. Sometimes that hose get disconnected. Sometimes the hose get clogged up, and it could cause the machine to leak over time depending on the weight inside of the machine. So you want to be careful with that. Another thing that I probably would suggest is the water hoses get clogged up, or the water line gets clogged up inside the water valves. But that happens over time anyway. But outside of that, the core of it, the transmission, the gear case that allows the machine to operate, agitate, or spin is really reliable. We don't replace them a lot. So we recommend this appliance as one of the top top load wash machines. Alright, so we're going to shoot out and get to the next one and let you guys know. The next one, of course, is an LG unit, so we're going to really jump into that real quick. Alright, so we're back. LG wash machine, direct drive. Let me go back a little bit so that you guys can see that I don't want to rush this. This is another appliance that we recommend. If you look at LG and Samsung appliances, they kind of look alike, right? But we really like both of their appliances because of their transmissions, their gear case. They don't go bad that often in comparison to the other brands that we normally work with. You can say the American brands, which is like Whirlpool, Amana, GE, Maytag. Sometimes their transmission doesn't last as long. That's one of the things that I can say. This one has 6 motions, turbo wash, smart ThinQ, Energy Star, and of course high efficiency as far as the appliance. You have different options, right? So this one, as you can say, is fully loaded. It's a smart appliance. You can do remote start. You can connect to it with your Wi-Fi. You have a cold wash option that you have, because most of the times your wash machine doesn't have that option. So that's really good. It's an efficient way of doing things. And you also have the spin only cycle that's here in comparison to the Samsung one. It has the same exact feature there. So let us look at the soil levels, and this is what I'm talking about: heavy, normal, and light. You have special care. You have tub clean. Again, this is something that you have to do when you're using these appliances. We recommend that you use a tub clean cycle. You can either clean it with bleach. You can also clean it with a washing machine cleaner. You can get it at your local grocery store, anything like that, to help you clean the inside of the machine. You want to do that every 30 wash or every month. You do have the turbo wash. All right, so that's some of the benefits that this appliance has as well. It also has deep fill, right? So this is another benefit. A lot of these appliances are giving you the option of having deep fill, because they've heard you guys a lot that the deep fill option, you washing your clothes, it doesn't look like it's enough water. Your clothes sometimes might have a little bit odor after a while, like your towels and stuff like that. So I really like the deep fill, man. It allows the clothes to be drenched in water as if it's getting clean. Whether you're giving me the impression that it's clean or not, I still like it. I'm gonna go with that option, and that's what I like. This you can have it in multiple colors, white or graphite steel. We're not going to really get into that, but this here it says the max fill, deep fill. So it depends on which one you want, depending on the options. So a lot of these appliances do not have all the options. Some you can get the ones that's fully loaded. The more stuff you get on it, the more you're going to spend, but again, you got a lot more options to choose from. All right, waterproof, download cycles, bedding, delicates, normal wash and stuff like that. Smart diagnostics, where you can diagnose the machine over the phone with LG. Whatever works best for you. Like I said, we like the technology that's in it. It's pretty good. You got a lot of options to choose from. Even though if you might not use all the options, it's still pretty beneficial. True balance as far as the operation portion of it. When you're putting clothes in it, it's not as loud. Doesn't make a lot of noise when it's spinning and when it's agitating. That's one of the benefits of buying some of these appliances. They're a lot more quieter. So if you have a basement that's fully for the load in the basement, you're watching TV, because I have that in my family homes and stuff like that. So you be wanting to watch TV. You don't be wanting to hear the wash machine going back and forth and stuff like that. All right, glass top. Again, you can get this in the impeller or you can get it in the agitator. All right, so that's another benefit for purchasing this appliance, depending on which one it is that you like. We really like that you can actually choose that setting, the 6-motion impeller or the 4-way agitator. All right. One of the things that we do not like about this appliance, just to jump into it, when you're dealing with the impeller, when you remove the impeller, there's a lot of gunk underneath of there. So this is why we say that it's best to make sure that you clean the inside of your wash machine with bleach or with the cleaner. Then you have the detergent dispenser, right? I like the dispenser, giving you options between the softener and the detergent. Sometimes some machines only give you one, right, where the detergent might go in and then you have to put the fabric softener in one of those fabric softener balls and dump it inside of it. Not all wash machines have the dispenser. It also has here, when you look on the side, the power jet spray, the pre-treat station, where you get water into here. If you want to clean off the stains on your clothes, you can do that as well. Another awesome option that's made by LG. And the tub is pretty smooth, where it's not going to rip your clothes or anything like that. That's another benefit to this appliance. You can look inside the machine with the window is open. You can see that clear, and you can watch the machine as it operates and as it functions. So yeah, as far as appliances, we really like it. The overall grade we gave this appliance, if you want to check out the video, is a 4.2. I know we've done this a while back, but at the same time, we're recommending appliances. The Samsung wash machine, I'm going to have the model number on the ticket and in the description box. And when we're talking about the LG unit, these two appliances are the best, in our opinion, in my opinion, the best two top-load wash machines on the market. So if you're looking to purchase a top-load wash machine, these are the two that we'll go with. If you have any other options or something that you want to go with because you're familiar with your traditional brands, Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, GE. So if you have those appliances and you really like those and you want our opinion, just of course send us a notification on YouTube. Let us know. Our email address is car21136@gmail.com. Let us know. And we'll respond to you and help you out the best way we know how, man. But outside of that, you already know what our motto is, man. I'm your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Support. You help me, I help you. We both help each other. So next time, I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'm out. Peace. Root for the Ravens.